Valentine's Day vlog on. How are you, Sammy? How are you?
I'm good.
How do you be in my vlog? How do you
Oh shit,
feel?
fuck, this is a vlog? Okay, let me get ready then, because I wasn't ready.
And
Oh, wait, I was
yeah.
just trying to get ready. Hello. I'm good, happy Valentine's Day. Today I'm at third wheel on a two-wheel bike.
we object, we adopt you.
I'm your child?
Yeah.
I feel so blessed.
Yeah, because she doesn't want a kid.
I think she does.
Yesterday she said,
I'm just
I
a
don't
really
want.
big baby.
Yeah. Yesterday she said we will adapt. And I said, then we have to quickly adapt.
Look at it, you.
I know, I picked it up.
Yeah.
Yeah. We did it.
This too keep suggesting I should eat this.
I don't know, I feel like you would eat that up, looking at like how much you eat.
True.
I remember the men's at
And then she
But I'm
recommend this
keeping
one.
my mouth shut. Let's talk about something else.
Mine.
Look, can you also record me? Like, I always record people that know me. My followers want to see me.
The king.
Do you think we came at the right time?
Thank you. Finally, they won. They won. I got it. We're gonna try.
I eat this and it immediately feel health in my body.
Yeah.
How do you like it,
It's good. You want to try?
Sammy? Good. Perfect. We're done. How was the food?
Mine was good.
How was your food? Have
Lekker himma! Lekker himma!
Oh, okay.
Lekker
Our
Sam.
Dutchie Sammy is taking us to Ema.
Maatschappij Amsterdam.
Okay, this one, I guess, whatever it is.
This is a sponge in the form of a Dutch pastry.
Yeah, you just learned
Iconic.
from.
No,
You
I
just
know that.
learned from him. Just learned from him.
Very cute.
Do you
see
feel
how
like
cute
you are
this is?
at home?
Do you feel at home?
Yeah, I feel very
Do you hear lekker? Lekker.
Okay, what is lekker? Explain to our followers.
I can send you a video of
Yeah, you send it to me.
I'd rather explain it. Look how cute these are.
Okay.
What is that?
Like and stuff.
You know who would eat these up?
Who?
Cut the cameras.
Who?
Secret. No, I think Ella would eat these up. I can see them having these.
Okay. Sus. The pastry protein version is this. The sponge one is this apparently.
Do you know these like Easter eggs, the small ones, the hard ones? It doesn't taste bad like licorice. I can barely taste the licorice. What is that?
Want some licorice?
No.
You don't like licorice? You like licorice?
Uh-oh.
Oh,
Now I can
Sam,
taste
I'm
licorice.
disappointed now.
Is there even one in there?
So much. We will watch the movie here, but first we are going. Edie!
Walk the rest. Yeah.
What?
You can take a picture and take it for the Berlinale thing.
We shall do it later.
Somebody put 6, 7 here. What is happening with this Edie? Everything is 6, 7. Wow, look! Whoa, flower! Wow, cutie pie! We're gonna go.
Where are your flowers, Rosie?
Where is yours?
At home.
Paper for her.
Period.
I don't think so.
This looks like a good store to spend money at.
There's like that one.
But maybe I have to go inside. Do we have time still?
Cutest stationery ever. We arrived.
Charlie XX is in town.
How do you feel?
She announced that Brat is over.
She did that 15 times already.
No, but she said now.
This time for real. She's like, guys,
yeah.
trust me for real.
It's over. It's time.
Okay.
Shot a banana.
I think it's time. It's been a good 2 years.
I guess the apple don't fall far from the tree.
Oh.
Should we get into it?
Yeah. Let's go.
Armer Kopf ist mir meine
You're.
Okay. Nice. We're in Berlinale, waiting for Charlie XX.
Hey babe.
Yeah.
We did not see Charlie XX. It's too cold.
Yeah.
I will say if it was warmer, if I was wearing my thermo underwear,
Like a long coat.
and like I knew like I was gonna be out of the cold for a while, I think I would have stayed. But also like.
But Rosalie is suggesting that you would just leave us here and go up and watch.
That's why he's like so.
I mean, you're free to come up with me.
But you're also free to come with us.
Yeah, but there's no Charlie XX in your house.
We can just put
I can put it on.
projector.
You do the alphabet.
Yeah, I can dance.
Okay. Sammy. Oh. Where the hell? Yeah. Hello. Cheesy. Can you take my video?
Yeah.
This vlog ends here. Cut.